In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Logitech G435 to Bluetooth. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Logitech G435 gaming headset is primarily used with the USB wireless receiver through the Lightspeed connection. However, this headset also features Bluetooth, so if you want to use it on any mobile device, for example, you will be able to do this by setting it up in pairing mode and choosing it from the list of available devices. So to start, all that you have to do is make sure that the headset is powered on and it has sufficient charge. If needed, you will be able to plug it into any suitable USB power source to charge it, so use the provided USB-C to USB-A cable to charge the headset. After this is done and it is sufficiently charged, you will be able to enable Bluetooth by pressing and holding the power button at the same time as the mute button. So press and hold the mute and power button simultaneously for around 3 seconds. Once you do this, the headset will be set to pairing mode. You will see the LED flash blue as it enters pairing mode. And now all that you have to do is connect it to a preferred device. When you go over to the list of available devices, over Bluetooth, you will be able to find the G435 on the list, and you will be able to connect it. Keep in mind that you can only connect it to a single Bluetooth device at a time, and now you will be able to use it without any problems. If you ever want to switch between Lightspeed and Bluetooth, all that you have to do is press 3 seconds and longer on the mute button, and you will be able to see the switch. So you will be able to switch to Lightspeed when the LED indicates a cyan color, and you will be able to switch to Bluetooth and see the LED light blue. This indicates which mode the headset is on, and you can use Bluetooth on any compatible device, but primarily a phone. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Logitech G435 to Bluetooth. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.